I'm here with the new UltraGen2 and this thing is amazing. So it mops and it cleans itself, and that at an affordable price. I think this is a brand that brings this new technology that brands like Roborock have to the affordable, more budget range. Of course, it's a lot more expensive than just getting a robot mop, but a robot vacuum and mop, but having this base station that also cleans it and refills it, I think that's brilliant. So in here, you can open this up. You have your two basins nicely tucked in there. So here you can do the clean water and the dirty water comes in there. And then you can easily just replace that once every week or so. Have new clean water and then throw out the dirty water, and it really the dirty water really becomes quite dirty, so it does a lot here. Now the cool thing here is it has these two mops that you can easily remove with a little magnet there, so if it doesn't clean all the way, I haven't had that, but you can also remove that and hand wash that. So that's pretty easy to use, and they extend a little bit. So if it goes into the corners, say near your cabinet or in your house at the corner of the wall, then they will extend a little bit, so they can reach all the way into those narrow corners as well, and not one of these has that. So that's also a pretty neat feature. It just rides around and then goes back to the dock every like 10 minutes or so after cleaning to replenish its water and clean that mop, so it always has clean water in there, so it works really well. It has an app, so you can easily set a target area where you want to clean, but honestly I hardly ever use the app. It's pretty straightforward, but I just push on clean and then cleans the entire floor. Only when I have a spill somewhere that isn't too bad, I would use the app and then target that area so it can go clean there and then go straight back to the base after that. But other than that, it's just push that button, turn it on, and then it's good to go. The app, however, is very nice for targeting the robot vacuum from a distance, so you can turn that on and then it will just do its cycle. So that's pretty neat, and you can set like different schedules. For example, if you're out of the house every morning after 8, you can set that and then it will clean right after you leave. So that's pretty neat as well. It comes installed with like one of these bags. So this is where the dirt comes into. You get one extra when you buy it, so I think that's pretty nice as well. And this is just a nice lid that slides on very neatly. I think it looks really cool, that white, a little bit off-white with then that metallic underneath there. These you have to replace, but you can get different bags. You don't really have to use their brand as long as it fits there. But I found you can just empty that into the garbage bin and then they'll last you a long time if you do that. With two of these, I think that could last you like up to a year or a couple of years even. Just empty those out. So there's really no issue in doing that and just keeping that one that you have there. So I hope this video has helped you to see what this robot can do and helped you to make your choice.